Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and this is Daryl's equipment from Illinois, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. Daryl has this unit hardwired. This payphone has already been converted, and this unit is hardwired to the telephone line, so there will be no modular line port installed. Daryl also wants us to mark the tip and ring where the connections go for the telephone line on the main PC board. So we will mark where the tip and ring is located on the PC board. There's a rattle in the handset, so we want to go ahead and check out what is causing the rattle. So we'll take care of that issue. We also want to troubleshoot the security handset cable. We want to make sure that the connections are good and that everything is working properly. The rotary dial is very sluggish, so we want to go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial and make sure that this unit is dialing out properly. Now the bell that was installed in this unit when it was converted needs to be tightened up. So we want to mount the bell a little better. Now the vault door is spring loaded. When it was converted, they just put a spring on the vault door. There is no lock. So if anyone ever runs change through this unit, you could retrieve the change by pulling the vault door down, and it is spring loaded. It would return to its position. We also found in troubleshooting that there is a resistor in the circuit path for the transmit of this payphone. In the past, when this payphone was converted, someone unsoldered one end of the resistor and then resoldered it back, but it barely took the solder and it was just barely hanging on to that solder connection. So if you lose conductivity of that resistor, you would lose transmit. So we definitely want to resolder that resistor back into place properly so that this unit does not lose transmit in the future. So we will be going through the entire payphone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repairs to this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup attached to the audio transformer on the main PC board so that we can pick up the audio when we choose to. I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an audio hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the audio amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. We'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we can do is go ahead and dial our numbers out. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we want to go ahead and transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, May 10th. The current time, 3:55 p.m. and the temperature, 50 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Daryl and he can enjoy this payphone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.